Welcome to Website Wednesdays, where I sit down with you and critique a random website off of Google using the storybrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it and consider subscribing with that subscribe button. Let's dive into the video. Atwals Auto. Let's see. Chilliwack used car dealer. Let's see what comes up. Atwals.ca. Interesting. So let's do this storybrand grunt test. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Okay, so again, remember that grunt test? It's supposed to answer within 5 seconds of landing on your website what problem you solve, how does it make my life better, and where can I get it? So, Atwals Car Auto. I saw Atwals Car Auto. I saw get a test drive or test drive a car, and something about insurance. I don't know what problem you solve. You solve an insurance problem, and I can test drive a car. Okay. Bad credit, no problem, we finance. Okay, so I wasn't too far off. Okay. Finance and lease, satisfaction guarantee, check our inventory, great deals, contact us, book an appointment. Okay, what I would do, again, I'm looking in a Z pattern, right? I'm scanning to see how you're going to solve my burning problem. I have an insurance problem, I have a car problem. How are you solving that? I don't know. You know, we offer better insurance rates than most other car dealers, but maybe that's a differentiator, or maybe it's we sell used cars and we remove the salesman or something like that. You know, never worry about a sleazy car salesman again. I don't know what your problem you're solving. See, I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure out what's your unique offering? What are you trying to solve? And I don't see that. I see Atwals Auto on the left. Okay, Atwals Auto what? Test used cars or insurance for vehicle insurance. What do you guys offer? Put that in your logo. And then top right, there's no button here. There's no button. You need to make this super clear. Schedule a test drive. If that's what you guys want us to do, then you need to schedule a test drive. And then the schedule test drive right here, I would put that in the middle. Put it right here in the middle. That is a super important place. You're wasting a lot of really valuable space here. Test drive, because you need to make sure that you're imprinting in my brain what you want me to do. What problem you solve, and how does it make my life better, and where can I get it? Right? Bad credit, no problem, we finance. So you guys are a car dealer. Am I right? So finance and lease. See, I haven't even scrolled down, and I still can't figure out why I should do business with you, what problem you solve, and stuff like that. So again, this stuff, get rid of all this, do a happy. So you got a smiling person. That girl, blow her up, put her in the background, and then say, best financing for vehicles, a car dealer without the salesman. Never worry about a sleazy salesman. Or I don't know, put a unique offering in there. Schedule a test drive. And as we scroll down, welcome to Atwals Auto. Again, do you hate the sleazy car salesman? ? And then go into your paragraph. People are more likely to read it. Versus welcome to Atwals Auto. No, who cares? But you gotta define the problem, right? What's your problem that you're solving? And then scroll down, located, great. Put that lower on the website, about us. There's so much you could do here. There's so much potential. And you guys are probably getting some business, but I think you could quadruple your revenue just by putting schedule the test drive down below. Get them on an email list that says 10 ways, 10 ways sleazy car salesmen rip you off, or 10 ways insurance is ripping you off. 10 ways you can save $100 insurance this month. That's a lot more clear. You'll get my email address because I want to know what that is. You're providing value, and then you show up in my email every week or every 2 weeks or however often. And then you're getting my business, because when I have an insurance problem, when I have a car problem, I can come to you, right? See how simple I'm operating. Insurance problem, car problem, Atwals Auto. That's what you want. That's what you want people thinking, right? They're not. It's too confusing. So again, Atwals Auto in the top left. Schedule a test drive in the top right. Put a big header describing what problem you solve and how it makes my life better. And then schedule a test drive in the middle again. And then down, instead of welcome to Atwals Auto, change that to, do you hate bad insurance premiums for your car? Boom. That's a lot more. Talk about the customer. Don't talk about you. Don't talk about the awards you won, your best places to work metric. Grandfather started the company. Nobody cares. You know, the best insurance premiums in Chilliwack, cars that you'll never regret buying, and it's test before you buy. Like stuff like that. Just really lay into the customer's problem. Really lay into the solution. You'll do well. And then we're located at this. That's good. I know where you are. But you haven't solved my problem. You haven't talked about the solution, right? So again, put all this stuff in the top with this whole menu and everything. Just put that all down in the bottom. Put this in the junk drawer, and then start talking about the customer. Start talking about how you can better serve the customer, and keep it simple. Not a lot of text. And again, this welcome to Atwals auto paragraph. Just get rid of it and ask that question. You know, do you hate expensive car insurance premiums? You know, that's a lot more, you know, piquing my interest, hooking me, because that's a problem that everybody hates, you know. So again, that's my recommendation. Take it as you will. It's based on the StoryBrand method. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys want me to critique your website. What did I miss? What did you think I do well? And then like this video if you enjoy it. Consider subscribing. And like always, Website Wednesdays is sitting down with you to critique a random website off of Google using the StoryBrand method. I'm your host, Jonathan Vogel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. You're awesome.